my seven. I'm ripping in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm bouncing in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
So we getting plenty packages. I was just about to do the paint gun video. And it looks like we got, y'all know what it is. But yeah, like I was saying, man, paint gun video. I've been getting ready to record. So I bought these paint guns off of AliExpress. I ordered them on February 14th and they got here yesterday. So a little bit over like 3 weeks. I'm guessing they came all the way from across the water. These are the R500 spray gun, just like the spray it, just like the one from Amazon, but these are like $34, $35 a piece. You know what I mean? So we're gonna bust it down, we're gonna look at it and see if it look like money. Of course, they're already here. I wasn't gonna make y'all wait 3 weeks or whatever. I'm just shooting this out the muscle, man. So I ordered 2. I'm thinking about giving one away. I don't know. If we reach 10,000 by Whipfest, then I'll give away a gun as well. If not, I'm gonna keep it. So, but yeah, same construction as a R500, low volume, low pressure. This one has like more of an anodized, like a black chrome. This one has more like a black chrome look versus the all chrome on the other R500 or the red and chrome one from Spray It. But all in all, same gun. This is probably the original. Because you know, people get stuff manufactured overseas and then they sell it on their side. 1.3 tip, recommended pressure of air, 2 to 3.5 bar. This says 28 to 51 psi. Recommended air pressure, max pressure of air is going to be 100 psi. 600 cc cup. Average air consumption of this gun is 3.5 to 3.9 CFM, which is perfect. And that's going to be at 35 to 40 psi. Let me see. And it's like less than a pound. Low volume, low pressure technology applies paint with less force, meaning less bounce of the off the surface into the air. Stainless steel needle and nozzle to accommodate a variety of coatings. Just a paint gun for covering small areas and touch-up work. New ergonomic design, handled for comfortable grip. Yeah. Yeah, this gun, like I said, same thing as the Spray It. Same thing as the one from the one that Summit is selling. Same one, but it's coming from across the water directly, so of course it takes a little bit longer to get. But you can pretty much get 2 for the price of 1 if you're patient. If you're not patient, or if you don't got no time and you're ready to spray now, go ahead and get one coming from Summit, like $70, or you can spend 2. You can spend it on 2 and get 80. You know what I'm saying? And then you have a decent low volume, low pressure gun for your clear and for your base without having to clean the gun right after, or you know, I don't know, multiple projects, different colors, whatever. I just like having more than one. So yeah, like I said, I'm gonna give one away. This is the one that I'll probably keep. You know, I mean, they both the same. But yeah, it's another box right here. I got another one here, ready to be given away. R500, exact same gun, comes with all the goodies, etc., etc. Only if we hit 10,000 by Whipfest. If we don't hit 10,000 by Whipfest, I'm gonna keep it. So there's a little bit of incentive for you guys that are already here to go ahead and try to push them numbers, man. Share these videos out, try to make it happen. So, but if not, then I just now have like 4 R500s. So, great gun. I love it. The 1.3 lay the clear and lays the clear, and it lays the base just beautifully. Smaller compressor, guys. This is the gun you want. This right here, I actually painted with this same, well, not this gun, but the same gun, the spray it one. And man, I'm telling you, it's beautiful. If y'all just catching up or you didn't catch the other video, this is gonna be the color for the Cutlass. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. But yeah, it's nice. Like I said, it's nice, it's laid, not a lot of orange peel, not a lot of issues. You know what I'm saying? Buff it out, whatever. So remember, if we hit 10,000 by June 25th, one lucky person will win this gun. This is just an added bonus. I'm not even gonna advertise it like that. I'm gonna say it in this video and I'm gonna be done with it. And then if we hit it by June 25th, some lucky person is gonna get a low volume, low pressure gun, and you know what I'm saying, possibly step off into the realm of paint. You know what I'm saying? So, like I said, but this is only if we hit 10,000 by June 25th. If we don't hit it by June 25th, then I just got 2. But if we hit 10,000 by June 25th, then I'm gonna give it away to somebody. And we giving away, you know, the turbo or the $200. So that's still going on. I'm just trying to think of ways to motivate and speed this along. You know what I'm saying? All y'all gotta do is, you know, share out the older videos. Share out older videos, current videos, like, share, post it in the groups, man. I'm pretty sure, you know, my bro Steve, a lot of other car guys, man, they got well over, you know what I'm saying, 20,000, 30,000 people. So I know it's people that's out there interested in the things that we are doing. So definitely just gotta get the word out, spread it. And because we DIY everything, man, it's definitely an audience out there, I know. Definitely an audience. So between the LS swaps, between the paint, between all that, then yeah, it's definitely an audience. Definitely people that are intrigued. You know what I'm saying? Interested, all that good stuff. So spread the word, tell them turbo or $200 for show at 10,000 subscribers. And then if we hit 10,000 by June 25th, somebody gets a spray gun. You know what I'm saying? Or the Chinese LVLP, but it's the same thing as the spray at 500. If we hit 10,000 by June 25th, if we don't, then I'm gonna keep it for myself. And just to let y'all know that the turbo giveaway is real. I ain't pump faking. There it is right there in the box. Max speed rods. I had to go ahead and grab it because I ain't want the price, you know, the war jumping off and shit. I ain't want I ain't wanna just in case the price get too high, I didn't want to get stuck with that. Cause y'all taking a little bit too long to spread the word and tell people about the goodness. About the goodness. So yeah, GT45 right there. So like, comment, subscribe, share the videos out, man. Let's get it. Let's run it up. Turbos and paint guns being given away June 25th, 2022. Make sure y'all enter to win on the video that's at the end of this video in the description, or at the end on the play card. Should be popping up right now.